My skin is like a baby's bum. She wants to learn. Close your eyes.
No!
This is how I do it.
I want my teeth.
Yeah, this is how I do it.
No, I don't want you to touch my face!
She doesn't want to learn. But as a baby's bum.
Now that I'm in the light, you really missed your whole neck.
I missed my whole neck. When I look pretty. Toriana's screaming inside. Ah. I'm waiting for my shirt to dry because it's wet. Come on, guys. Say bye. I got my shirt. Oh, finally. We got some lip liner. I got my shirt on. Oh, no shoes on the concrete. Sorry. You're washing my socks.
Hi. Morning. So, it's very raining out here. My whatever these cords hurt. See, they're called quads. Me again. So, today I had a warning because my hair keeps on going like that and going like that. I want it like that. So, finally got it on the last method. But it can survive a cartwheel, a backflip,